7 skills to practice before your driving test. Are you a little anxious about taking your driving test? Preparation is the key to calming those nerves. Here is a list of the top 7 driving techniques you should work on in the weeks before your big day. Gaining more confidence with them can help you pass the exam the first time because they are all components of it. Keep in mind that practice makes perfect. 1. Backing up. As a driver, being able to back up is crucial. You will be required to slowly back up the car for 60 feet in a straight line during the test. You can use your backup camera or rear view mirrors, or you can turn and rest your right arm against the back of the right front chair the entire time. Look for a wide space, such as a vacant parking lot, to practice in. 2. Parallel parking. Parallel parking anxiety is a common phobia. However, with practice and knowledge of the right method, you can become an expert at it. How? Select a space between 2 other parked automobiles on a street that is larger than your car. Give a signal and approach the vehicle parked in front of the space. As soon as you are certain you won't impede incoming traffic, turn your front wheels to the right and cautiously approach the curb. Turn the wheel to the left when your front seat is directly across from the rear bumper of the vehicle in front of you. Be careful not to touch the car when you climb back up near it. Last but not least, center the car and straighten the front wheels. You ought to park between 6 and 18 inches from the curb or edge of the road. 3. Turning. One more ability you'll want to master is turning. Although it appears straightforward, it frequently causes mishaps. As a result, practice these directions for a safe turn. First, always plan ahead and avoid last-minute changes. To keep track of all other vehicles, look over each shoulder. When it's safe to do so, change lanes if necessary to make the turn. Next, provide the appropriate signal 100 feet or more before the turn. Be sure to slow down as you get closer to the bend to ensure a safe turn. Through the turn, stay in your correct lane, and don't brake. Stay in the right lane as you complete the turn. Make sure to practice turning left and right. 4. Signal use. Signals used for parallel parking and turning have already been discussed. Your flashers and turn signals are examples of signals. Other situations where you might employ signals include lane changes and even pulling away to begin your exam. Signals must be used consistently since they are required by law. 5. Quick stop. A rapid stop is a talent that every motorist needs. You'll be required to travel at a speed of roughly 20 miles per hour during your driving test and then stop the vehicle as quickly as you can. The important thing is to avoid skidding your brakes. Another ability that would benefit from practice in a deserted parking lot is this one. 6. Changing lanes. During your driving exam, changing lanes will be required of you. Make careful you glance behind you, not only in the rearview mirror. To do this, turn your neck around to look, physically. Hold off until there is a big space in the traffic. Do not rush. When you're prepared, activate your signal and go into the opposite lane without any jerks. 7. Scanning and maneuvering. It's crucial to have the vision to notice what other drivers are doing and the foresight to anticipate problems before they arise. Throughout your driving exam, you must continuously monitor the road. Additionally, you must be able to safely navigate around other cars and traffic circumstances.